Right, hi. Another tip for you on the V6 remote for the Bluetooth facility. Let's just say you've got your V6 box in a cupboard out of the way where you can't see it or where the kids can't mess around with it. Information button on the remote control. All is what you do. Press and hold the button. Keep it held down. The light will then start blinking. You can see we've got a green light at the top of the controller. Once it's finished setting up, not sure if you have to press OK, but I'm going to press it anyway. That should now give us the Bluetooth option. So if you cover the top of the controller up, that's now working Bluetooth to the TV, well, to the Virgin V6 box. Right, okay, so that was the Bluetooth feature for the V6. In one of the previous videos, I showed you how to do the volume. So if we just go to the TV, you can see that this controller is set up to do the volume and to turn the telly on and off. Okay, handy little tip. If you've lost your TV controller, the actual TV handset, or you have a Panasonic TV, basically, if you press and hold the TV button, you can get into your menu to change HDMI. As you can see, change it back again, press the TV button, just keep holding it down, and then you can change your HDMI back again. Okay, hope you like the video. Cheers.